Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an S22 Ultra with a very damaged display, and I'm here with David and we'll try to fix this. Let's go. So first thing we're going to do is try to assess the situation, the condition of the smartphone. The back cover is cracked, the front display is also cracked, but we are still going to reuse the back cover. So we're going to remove this as carefully as we can. Going to agitate the adhesive at the back. When your Samsung Galaxy device like this S22 Ultra has never been opened before, the adhesive are quite strong on all sides, so we have to be very careful because it's gonna cause more damage to the glass back cover. Now we have removed that. We're gonna put the back cover to the side, and we're gonna unscrew the cover for the main board, the battery, and the daughter board, so that it will be released. There's a lot of screws on this S22 Ultra. David has this mechanical screwdriver to make quick of this task. We're gonna detach the S Pen and the SIM card tray, put them to the side, and we're gonna remove this wireless charging module. I'm going to detach the connectors for the display and battery. We're going to reattach the battery connector because we are going to test if this replacement display is going to work with this smartphone model. This is going to be the first time that I saw David test the display for Galaxy flagship device, but here we are. It's a good practice though, because we are not gonna waste our time if it's not gonna work, or if we have doubts if the display is good or not. So far we have seen it boot up, showing us the Samsung Galaxy logo, and the touchscreen seems to be working, no dead pixels. And this brand new display is of course very good, in very good condition. So we're going to continue with our repair. We're going to detach the connectors again, so everything that is attached to the old housing and display is going to be transplanted to the new one. And we're going to remove the daughter board. We're also going to detach some connectors. It will free up the cover for the main board. It's quite tricky, but David has done this hundreds of times, so it's quite easy when we just watch him do it. We're going to remove the main board, remove some components that we can reuse with the old display. So the new display just came with its own housing, but the components are still gonna be taken out from the original housing and display. Like this one, the vibration motor, the front camera, and we're just gonna reverse the process. So when this repair is gonna be finished, the front of this Galaxy S22 Ultra will look definitely brand new. The front facing camera is going in, cover for the main board is going in, and we're gonna screw them back in, peel off the adhesive for the battery, attach the battery, attach the connector for the display, install the S Pen or not, and we're gonna see if we can finish this as quick as possible. So if you have an S22 Ultra that needs a new display, a new battery, definitely go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Samsung does not fix these models anymore. If they offer such service, the replacement parts are going to be expensive. And if you don't want the hassle of going there and getting disappointed, just go to Sydney CBD Repair Center or your trusted local repair service technician. Fix your older S22 Ultra and skip upgrading. Save your money, save the environment. And these devices are very robust, very fixable. In the right hand, these smartphones can still live for a couple of years before they need another screen replacement or battery replacement. And look at that. We're almost done. We're just gonna reattach the back cover and we'll give this back to the client. So if you're around Sydney CBD and you need a repair service, definitely visit us. If you're outside of Sydney and you don't want to travel long distances, you can mail in your broken smartphone, Samsung, iPhones, Asus, whatever. You can message David so we can arrange the shipment and the time frame for the repair. Once we are done fixing your smartphone here in the shop, we will mail it back to you. So it's now charging. The touchscreen is working. We're gonna close up this device and we're gonna reuse the back cover. No worries, you can just use a phone case to cover this up. No problem. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. You can like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We release new videos every day. So if you're interested in smartphone repairs or just technology in general, you will definitely learn something from real world repairs that we do here. So this is the before and after. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.